welcome back to my channel. Hi to each and every one of you guys watching. So today I'm going to be doing a eyelash hack that's been going on everywhere, basically Twitter, Instagram, everywhere. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys what the hack is. The life hack is just using any type of like cheap looking lash, spooling it and making it look more wearable. So that's what they look like when you spoolie them. This is what it looks like normally, and this is what it looks like spoolied. Now this is what it looks like normal on flimsy whack. You can hardly see, like, it's flapped up. This one's the one that's spoolied. It's the same eyelash, just that it's more wispied out, and it looks way better than this one. Like, you can't even see, like, this is like fucking trash. Like, who the hell will wear this? Like, freaking, like, this shit's so stiff. I don't like that. And this is the one that is spoolied out. It's the same eyelash. Now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the ones that I did spoolied, and I'm gonna be showing the clip showing you guys how to do that. Now this is what the lashes look without being spoolied. They are super shiny, and they're really super cheap. I think eBay, no, they're from Wish lashes. Now when you spoolie them, they look a little more like that, the ones in the bottom. This is the whole entire pack of that kind. So these 3 rows, there's 4 rows. The top ones are the ones that I didn't spoolied, and the 3 in the bottom are the ones that I did spoolied. I feel like they look so pretty, more wearable. Ignore the ones in the bottom. These are some other ones that I did. I'm gonna show you guys right now on those, but these are the ones they look like that. The one I have on my left lash is the one that is spoolied out and looks like that. It's the same eyelash, but it's spoolied out. Now this lash here, I did spoolied it, if that's what you guys want to call it. Spoolied it. They look so pretty, and I bought those at my local beauty supply store. This is what they look like without being spoolied out. This is what they usually look like, and when you spoolie them out, they look like the other side. I'm gonna go ahead and open it so you guys can see it more. Okay, so this is what it looks like. This is what that's what it looks like without being spoolied, and that's how it looks like when you spoolied it. This lash is the same one as this one right here, but I did wear this already, so I spoolied these out, and they look so pretty. Guys, like, this shit is like, these lashes, actually, this one cost me $2. So I mean, $2 lashes to look like that, really pretty and like wispy, is pretty cool. Hey guys, so right here I'm going to be showing you guys what I did for the lashes. I have 2 sets of lashes here. These under ones are both the same. And the top ones, the top 4 rows are the same eyelashes. So this is what the lashes look like. The ones on top are the ones that I didn't spoolied. So this is basically what I did. I grabbed the spoolie and I just started how do you say it? What, spoolie? I guess just spoolie the lash. I keep doing it until you like the desired look. You could keep going and make them look more fluffier if you want, but this is how I want mine to look like. The top row I'm not gonna be touching. That's just how the lash came naturally. They look super fake and like really plasticky. I was gonna throw these away, but I found this little hack, and guys, this should do work. Alright, so I just kept doing the same thing, so you guys will see here what they look like, uh the lashes. I'm gonna repeat doing the same thing to the lashes, back and forth. I'm be doing both sides, but basically this is all you do. I like the end result of the lashes. I didn't do the top ones so you guys could see the difference on the lash. You could tell like immediately on the lashes. If you do want to curl them, you could like flip them up and curl them. But I like the way they look right there. They look super fluffy and nice to wear. The top row looks the same plasticky lash that nobody wants to wear. Alright guys, so this is what the eyelashes look like when you spoolie them. I guess that's what you want to call it, spoolie them. I just spoolied these four right here, but this is what they usually look like. It's a huge difference. I was gonna throw these away, and I got these from the Wish app, but this is how they look when you spoolie them, which is super cool. I like the way they turn out. They look pretty, and I can wear these. These are wearable. So that's what that looks like. This is what that's what it looks like when it's not with the spoolie, and then these how it looks. You could tell a huge difference. Now I also did this one where you could see only one of the eyelash. It's more fluffier and more like wispy. This one over here, it's pretty also. This one, that's the natural one. That's how it looks. But this is what it looks like when I did the spoolie on it. It looks really pretty. More natural, wispy-ish. I like how that looks. So it looks like that. So that's about it, guys. Hopefully you guys liked the video. Thank you guys for watching.